Inshallah, in today's class, we are going to do questions on method of reduction of order. Method of reduction of order. This is for second order differential equation, linear differential equation. Suppose the second order differential equation is a naught d square y by dx square plus a1 dy by dx plus a2 equals to 0. Now the steps you see in this method, already one solution will be already given in the question. That solution, let me suppose that as y1. Let y1 be the solution, given solution. Now this is second order differentiation, so we have to find one more solution. Let that be y2. Let y2 be the second solution. We will get two solutions. One is already given, the second one we have to find. Let it be denoted by y2. So the formula of y2 will be y2 equals to y1 into u. Y1 is the given solution, y1 is the given solution. So for y2 we are having y2 equals to y1 into u. Now to find u2 we are having three steps. Watch carefully. The first step is we have to find p. First step is we have to find p. The formula of p is e to the power of integration minus integration a1 by a0 minus integration a1 by a0. After finding p, we have to find v. The formula of v is 1 by y1 square, 1 by y1 square into e to the power of integration minus p dx. E to the power of integration minus p dx. Now after that, the next step is u. The formula of u is integration of v dx. When you get u, you substitute here y2 equals to y1 into u. Y2 equals to y1 into u. The last is the general solution is given as y equals to a into y1 plus b into y2. So you revise this procedure and by heart the formulas. Remember this. Okay. Let me do few questions on this. Now see on the board, we had written one question, y1 equals to 1 by x is one solution. Given already one solution, then solve the differential equation by using reduction of its order method. See here, first let me compare this with the general equation a naught d square y by dx square plus a1 dy by dx plus a2 into y equals to 0. So what is the value of a naught? Compare it, it will be x square, a1 equals to 4x, a1 equals to 4x and a2 equals to 2. We doesn't require a2, no need to write a2. So this is the first step. Now let me find p of x, or else let the second differentiation, what we can write, let y2 equals to u into 5. Let y2 equals to u into y. Therefore, y2 equals to u. We have to find u into y1. Y1 is already given 1 by x. So this will be u by x. This will be u by x. Now the next step is let me find first p. The formula of p equals to a1 by a0. a1 by a0. The value of a1 is 4x by a0. a0 is x square. Cancel this x and square, we left with 4 by x. Now the next step is we have to find v of v. The formula of v is 1 by y1 square into e to the power of minus integration p dx equals to 1 by y1 square. The value of y1 is given as 1 by x. So this is 1 by x square y1 square into e to the power of minus integration p. P is 4 by x. Take this 4 outside, 1 by x dx. So this x square come in the numerator into e to the minus 4. Now integration of 1 by x is log x. Now e log will get cancelled, but first you have to take out 4 from here. If you take out 4 from here, it will become the power of x. You can write like this, x square into e to the power of log x power minus 4. So e log will get cancelled. What is left here? X square into x power minus 4. Now the bases are same. You add the powers, it will be x power minus 2. This can be written as 1 by x square. Therefore, now the second step, we got the value of p. We got the value of p. Now next step is we have to find v. We have to find v. Sorry, we have already written the value of v. No? Now the next step is u. So u equals to integration of v dx equals to integration of 1 by x squared dx. Integration of, you bring x in the numerator, it will be x power minus 2 dx. Now integration of x power n is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will become x power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So u equals to, this is x power minus 1, bring downside, it will be x minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, you write this. So we got u also. Therefore we note y2 equals to u by x. So u is minus 1 by x into x, again this x. So y2 equals to minus 1 by x square. Now lastly, what is the general solution? General solution, therefore general solution is y equals to y1 into a into y1 plus b into y2. So y equals to a into y1. The value of a is constant, into y1 is given 1 by x means by x, plus b into y2 is minus, so bring here minus by x square. So this is the method of solving the differential equation using method of reduction method. Okay, let me do one more question in detail. Now you see the next question. If y1 equals to e power x is one solution of the differential equation, then find the general solution using reduction method. So what is the first step? Compare with the general equation. So a naught equals to 1, a1 equals to 3. What is, how to start? Let the second differential, let the second solution y2 equals to, we have to suppose this y2 equals to, what is the formula? U into y, that is y equals to u into y1 is e power x. So y2 equals to u into e power x. The next step, we have to find p. The formula of p is, what is the formula of p? The formula of p is a1 by a naught. So equals to a1. a1 is 3 by a naught is 1. So this will be 3. Now the next step is we have to find v of x. V. Next step is we have to find v. The formula of v is 1 by y1 square into e to the power of minus integration p dx. P dx equals to 1 by y1. y1 we are having already y1 as given equation, y1 as e power x. So e power x whole square, sorry, e power x whole square into e to the power of integration p dx. P is 3 into dx. So what will happen? You see here, e power 2x, you bring in the numerator, it will be e power minus 2x into e to the power of minus integration of 3 will be 3x. Integration of 1 is x, so 3 is 3x. Now bases are same, if you add the powers it will be e power minus 5x. Now we got v. We got v equals to e to the power of minus. Now next step is u. U is integration of v dx. Integration of v is e power minus 5x dx. So integration of e power x is e power x, but we are having with x constant 5. So divide by minus 5. Divide by minus 5. Bring this minus in the numerator. So we got, therefore we got the second integration, second solution, y2 equals to u into y1. U is e power minus 5x by 5 into u1 is the, sorry, y1 is the given e power x. When bases are same, we add the powers, minus 5x plus x will be minus 4x by 5. Therefore, the solution, general solution is y equals to a into y1 plus b into y2. So this will be y equals to a. A is constant into y1 is e power x, given solution, plus b into y2 is the solution, plus into minus will be minus e power minus 4x by 5. Now see here, next question on the board. If y equals to e power 2x is one solution of the given equation, then find the general solution. Let me start in the same manner. Now compare this one. A naught is 2x plus 1. a1 is minus 4 into x plus 1. So let y2 equals to u into y1, where y1 is the first given solution, e power 2x. So u into, we put e power 2x. Now let me find p first step. P equals to a1 by a naught. a1 by a naught. Okay. The next step is we have to find v. So v equals to 1 by y1 square into e to the power of minus integration p dx. 1 by y1 is 2x whole square, e to the power of minus of. You see, minus of minus will become plus. So this step is very important. See here, e1 by, this will become e power 4x, e power 4x. Now minus of minus will become plus e to the power of integration. Minus into minus will become plus. Now see here, we are having 4 into x plus 1. We have to change like this, 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So 4x can be written as 2 into 2x plus 1 plus, watch carefully. Actually, this is 4x plus 4. 4x plus 4. So 2 2s are 4x plus 2. Plus 2 means we must write plus 2. 2 plus 2 will become 4. So this is very important step. Watch carefully. We have to change this as that of denominator. Denominator is 2x plus 1. So let me change this in terms of 2x plus 1. So we can write 4 as 2 into 2x plus 1. 4 as 2 into 2x plus 1. This is 4 ones are 4, but here we are adding 2 ones are 2. 2 we are writing 2 is left, so plus 2. Or else we can divide and also change. Okay, but now I'm writing like this. So 4x plus 2 can be written as 2 into 2x plus 1 plus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 dx. Now you separate this 2. See here, equals to 1 divided by e power 4x into e to the power. If we separate, take out 2 outside, integration 2x plus 1 by 2x plus 1 dx, plus you also take out this 2 also, integration 1 divided by 2x plus 1 dx. Now see here, this cancel, get cancel, integration of 1 is x. So this will become 1 by e power 4x into e to the power. Integration of 1 is for x, 1 into 2, 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into integration of 1 by x is log x. So this will become log of 2x plus 1. But whenever we are having constant, some constant with x, we have to divide by this in integration by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Integration of 1 by x is log x. But with x we are having coefficient 2, so we have to divide this 2. So next step, watch carefully. You see here, equals to 1 divided by e power 4x. Suppose we are having a power m plus n. We can change like this, a power m into a power n. So let me change like that. So this will become into e power 2x into e power log of mod 2x plus 1. So e power log, e log will get cancelled, you get 2x plus 1. You get 2x plus 1. Here you see here, this are bases same. If you bring this in the numerator, it will become e power 2x minus 4x into e log will get cancelled. You left with 2x plus 1. So this will become e power minus 4x, sorry, minus 2x minus 2x into 2x plus 1. Now see here, we already got the value of v. Now the integration of u equals to integration of v dx. U equals to integration of, I'm first adding 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 into e to the power of minus 2x dx. Now this method is called integration. Now integration by parts. The formula for integration of parts is integration of f of x into g of x dx equals to f of x integration of g of x dx minus whole integration d by dx of f of x integration of g of x dx whole dx. Using this method, we have to integrate the function. So see here, suppose this is f of x, this is g of x. Now let me use the formula. What is the formula? F of x means 2x plus 1 f of x. Integration of g of x means e power minus 2x dx minus whole integration d by dx of f of x. D by dx of f of x means 2x plus 1 integration of g of x dx whole dx. Now see here, u equals to 2x plus 1 into integration of e power x is e power x. But with x we are having minus 2 coefficients, so divide by minus 2 minus whole integration d by dx of 2x, x is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, constant is 0. Now integration of e power x is e power minus 2x, but by minus 2 dx. So let me cancel this. 2 will get cancelled, minus of minus will become plus. You bring this minus here, u equals to minus of 2x plus 1 e power minus 2x minus 1 is plus integration of e power minus 2x to x. Again integration of e power x, u equals to my by 2, sorry, this is 2 by 2 minus of 2x plus 1 e power minus 2x by 2. Now integration of e power x is e power x, e power minus 2x. With x we are having minus 2, so divide by minus 2, minus into plus minus 2. Let me take common here. You see here u equals to minus e power minus 2x by 2, we can take common. Minus e power minus 2x by 2 is taken common, so 2x plus 1 is left. Minus we have taken common, plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. If you take common 2 here, it will become x plus 1. Minus e power minus 2x by 2 into, if you take 2 common, x plus 1. So this 2 will get cancelled. So we got u. Therefore, what is the formula of second solution? y2 equals to u into y1. u we got minus e power minus 2x into x plus 1 into v is 2 power x y1, sorry, y1 is the function solution which is already given. The already given function is, you see, y1 we are having e power. These bases are same. If you add powers, e power 0, e power 0 is 1, so you just left with minus of x plus 1. Therefore final formula is, general solution is y equals to a into y1 plus b into y2. A into y1 plus b into y2. Y equals to a into y1 is the given solution, e power 2x, plus b into y1, we got this as minus of x plus 1 plus c. So this is the solution. So we have done few questions based on reduction of order. So in the next class, inshallah, we are going to see some other functions, inshallah.